Hello everyone, we are from Group 3. The title of our project is Annuity and Trade and Cash Discount. Before we start, I would like to introduce my group members and myself. My name is Muhammad Izan bin Satulusi. Here's my team members, Amanda Jan Sylvester, Muhammad Hafizul bin Fikri, and Shakir Zufaili bin Asmadi.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hafizul Fikri bin Ramlan and my metric number is 2022487418. So I will presenting about our topic, NAT. Firstly, an NAT is a sequence of equal payments made at regular intervals time with compound interest on this payment. Example of NAT includes house rents, mortgage payments, and interest payments on money invested.
Hello, I am Muhammad Izan bin Satulusi. My matrix number is 2022501546. So, the explanation of the question A1. Omar invests RM 250 every month in a savings scheme. Calculate the amount in his account at the end of 3 years if the interest is 8% compounded monthly. So first, from the question, we want to calculate the amount in Omar's account at the end of 3 years. So, R is 250, I is 0.08 over 12 months, and N is 12 months multiplied 3 because it is in 3 years. So, how to solve it is, use the formula S equal R in bracket 1 plus close bracket power of N minus 1. So, S equal to 250 in bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 12 close bracket power of in bracket 12 multiplied by 3 close bracket minus 1 over 0.08 over 12 and then after calculate it we get RM 10,133 and 89 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shakir Zufaili bin Asmadi. My matrix number is 2022600560. So for question 1B, a finance company offer a personal loan of 50,000 ringgit and a customer has to pay monthly payment for 5 years at an interest rate of 5% compounded monthly. So B1, the monthly payment. For this question, I will use present value formula. A equal R in bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative and over I. So A is 50,000, I is 0.05 per 12 and N is 12 multiplied by 5. Now we have to find R, which is the periodic payment. So put all the amount in it. 50,000 equal R in bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.05 per 12 close bracket power of in bracket 12 multiply 5 over 0.05 per 12. Then 50,000 equal to 52.990706. Then calculate and we get RM 943.56 cents per month. Question B2, find the total interest charged. So for this one, I will use the formula I equal NR minus A. So we know that R is 943.56, N is 60, A is 50,000. So I equal 60 multiplied by 943.56 minus 50,000. Then we get RM 6,613.60 for the interest charged. Next question, B3. If the customer failed to pay the first 3 monthly payment, find the amount he has to pay on the 4th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. So the formula that I will be used is S equal R in bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N minus 1 over I. In this case, we need to find the amount that customer has to pay on the 4 year. So R is RM 943.56, I is 0.05 per 12 and N is 4. So S4 equal to 943.56 in bracket, open bracket, 1 plus 0.05 per 12 close bracket power of 4 minus 1 over 0.05 per 12. After calculate, we get Rm 3797.89 that the customer has to pay.
Trade and cash discount. Next is trade and cash discount. The definition is divided into two, which is trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount is a reduction of amount from the list price of the goods, which the trader allows to the customer at a given rate. Meanwhile, cash discount refers to a discount that the seller offers to a buyer in return for paying a bill before the majority of due date.
Hello, I'm Amanda Jan Sylvester and my matrix number 2022475228. So here I will solve the question number 2. A dealer received an invoice for the purchase of 100 mathematics books at 20 ringgit each and 50 history books at 25 ringgit each. The invoice was dated 2nd July 2022. It was offered trade discounts of 15%, 10% and cash discount terms of 5 per 10, 3 per 20 and N per 30. The dealer paid the invoice on 13 July 2022. So the first question is, find the single discount rate that is equivalent to the series of trade discount given. So in this question, I will use single rate equivalent formula, which is R equal 1 minus R1 multiplied by 1 minus R2. So the rate given is 15% and 10% and 10%. And we will change it to decimal form. So R equals 1 minus 0.15 multiply 1 minus 0.10. And the answer, we get 0.235. And then we will multiply it by 100 to get the percent of the discount. So the single rate equivalent is 23.5%. Next question is find the total net price after trade discount. To find the net price, we need to find the list price at first. And as the question states that 100 mathematics book at 20 ringgit each and 50 history books at 25 ringgit each, so list price equals 100 multiplied 20 plus 50 multiplied by 25. And we will get 3,250 for the list price. So now, to get the total net price, we will use the chain discount formula, which is net price equals list price multiplied by 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2. So 3,250 multiply 1 minus 0.15 multiply 1 minus 0.10. And then the answer we get 2,486 ringgit and 25 cents. So we go to the next question, is find the amount of cash discount. So first, we have to identify the cash discount terms. So back to the main question, the invoice was dated 2nd July 2022 and the dealer paid the invoice on 13 July 2022. So 13 minus 2 equals 11 days, which determine that the cash discount entitled 3% by the terms of 3 per 20. So the formula to find the cash discount is cash discount equal net price multiply C. So 2,489.25 multiply 0.03 equals to 74 ringgit and 55 cents. Lastly, find the total net payment amount. To get the amount of net payment is net payment equal net price minus cash discount. So 2,486.25 minus 74.58 equals 2,411 and 67 cents.